Mama wakwaba midin ede adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel near notification bell so for more news. Woman ya waka say Madam Moira Honorable Kennedy akompreko Japan or aspire for flag bearership NPP party ni baby mama and waka say woman way woman bia or ye controversial papa Bekaya and or the Honorable Kennedy a comprehend Japan owns a big internet and so a month for each born nana there. Now and day or the last time I call a Marie a Malcolm Weduno so I fire Naki Canada judge Reno Busanfo make a sense and Sama Madame Eka Eddie Etre Marie a Malcolm Wedu.
And defend you, and some of us use our social media pages to defend you.
And yeah, we wouldn't finish chassis. Marie, so what to me defend it? Can any wouldn't finish chassis? So we see women a chum. Women Quantiana Woyama Yvonne Nelson, a shower Nino Kodia Colano. Why the fuck are you not doing the same thing for me? Because you stand by Ken for coins, Koshini. Meeting Amanda Tamoya. Yeah, she was wrong. I corrected her. I've moved on. We agree to disagree. Edu was so. You put your camera on social media to defend Kennedy Japan. The same man that you say kills her. Why the fuck were you defending him? Sometimes when maybe Anamijina, when I switched for you people to see what stupidity would look like if I should forgive him and stop talking, you came and insulted me, Miss Ame. You don't know the sort of case study that I am. Majo Bisika. Me ni obi akwashisha bibi ho. Muni mi on. Say na 29 years na me banedi say 30 years ago na Kenndy mi na minjini sidida. Munsro mi on. Na ebede ni aka no kra no sei na ye kwajiska o baby a ye betumi akasa kasa
You said the fact that we can't say boy never who premises why you no does not equate to say we na ukukuno. We have to defend you.
Samate, she defended that one, but she never defended me. Missing Nancy by force of Baomia camp one of the NDC camp yenima DSC Grace Kohemu in ya dinechi no Johnny Oba MPP no Hrukwajina Baomia and a Samira dear Kente Fatano and the Cecilia we loy and a incoming first lady. Ye was a mosi, Marie si wakobom paye, edi communion, aye fasting, or by ya afe we tracking. Wonderful. Ken when I can find what the fuck do you have to say to change this? There be that change money that the Fred mo for 4 mododo. A friend and it's 1% was friend then. Jan, I and fed do. Then Marie to me, Hana noa. Na odi chinti, that's enough. No, it's not fucking enough. Na say NDC fo. Omo be second questions about me and Nebana. Especially say na ya akwala ni birthday. Man improving the honesty ni discipline ni court sia. Wa chia to krom dia di kwasia sam. Ha Marie, maybe I can say a script na mani aje oh na ma text oh you have done well now they can't say anything munini. Me wadan wo pantan ni ama rent ni ama to ni ama lisi me ti ho 24/7.
Some of us use our platforms to defend you.
Nyankopon na we tia wo kaw. Nyankopon na we tia wo kaw eti wo purple room wo no. Aha se na ye condo, se na ye apartment o, se na ye townhouse o. Se si asa wunya asika kro na wunya wetu ahun yo yankwai.
And now what's up with the same mistake? Maybe it is better you keep quiet. Yes, if you don't.
Maybe it is better Kennedy Japan keeps quiet, but now you think he is he should be heard on mountain tops. Me say, why the fuck is he still the chairman of the nonsense of defense? Why? In his vetting, what do you think will be a wrong question for him? And what do you think from your videos should be the question to be asked this motherfucker? Yeah, as you feel ye, you know. Missing that mama mom.
John Mahamo be yedin. Na John Mahamo be yedin. John what it
time.
Me dey person mentia si.
Kennedy Paul
Linda na akobu sama say.
Especially say na ya akwala ne birthday. Mo man improving the honesty ni discipline ni court sia. Wa twea to krom de di kwasiasam. Ha Marie, me be can say a script na mani age on. Oh, na ma text oh, you have done well now they can't say anything munini. Me wadan wo pantan ni ama rent ni ama to ni ama lisi me ti ho 24/7.
Some of us use our platforms to defend you.
Nyankopon na we tia wo kaw. Nyankopon na we tia wo kaw eti wo purple room wo no. Aha se na ye condo, se na ye apartment o, se na ye townhouse o. Se si asa wunya sika kro na wunya wetu ahun yo yenkwe.
And now what's up the same mistake? Maybe it is better you keep quiet. Yes, if you don't.
Maybe it is better Kennedy Japan keeps quiet, but now you think he is he should be heard on mountain tops. Me say, why the fuck is he still the chairman of the nonsense of defense? Why? In his vetting, what do you think will be a wrong question for him? And what do you think from your videos should be the question to be asked this motherfucker? Yeah, as you will feel, you know. Missing that mama mom but why ni nya nchontino. Sisi was is anato wa shisha time ho baba. Kennedy Japan mo fa na sisi ampedo obepa ma sisi asumi nya kosia na adwenen percentage na wa kan I doubt it. Na nala po onyimdo but that is why he's going to vetting right this minute still as the chairman of the focus committee. Obi otumi ma jachi kwesi no children. Momo Shaman onwa converting, still holding political young quiet.
Don't have anything better to say, be quiet. Maybe
he doesn't have anything better to say. Sometimes you put an 100%. And no po marry wisely, won't say he doesn't have anything better to say. But then I charge ni be a few no. Yo, young quiet.
it's better if you keep quiet. Mr. Kennedy Japan, I cannot call you honorable because that behavior was very dishonorable.
Oh, me chiria butembi, yeah, butanu ni radi. He's dishonorable. Me, I was mad when I was saying he should go because I thought he would be wise to come and say sorry and correct everything. But I am not going to continue being a talk. No. Even if I was on the Titanic, I would have swum across. I will not die sinking in that ship. That implosion. What's on your honorable? And why now? He even deserves to be a simple, honorable minister who has destroyed his baby mama and the child. Now he's even more than honorable. He's supposed to be president. Madam, don't follow me. Na me that time na my brother. Na me yari na bapa peak season. Time number you don't go opposite. Oh yeah.